All right, my dear friend, I thank you so much for coming back to my channel. In today's practice, we are going to start to slow down. We're going to do some seated stretches using a sturdy chair. So without much further ado, I'll just meet you back here and we'll go ahead and get started. So we'll begin in this gentle seat, or what I like to call easy seat. Place the feet firmly onto the earth. Palms can face up or down on the lap. Maybe roll the shoulders back and away from the ears. Find a lift in the heart. And then soften the gaze or close the eyes, and we won't be here very long. I just want you to start to ground and center, tuning in to that natural wave of your own breath. Watching the breath as it travels in through the nose and out through the nose or the mouth. No need to change anything. Just know you've landed exactly where you need to be today. And please gently bat the eyelashes open if you had them closed. We're going to start with some spinal movements. So drop the hands down by the sides. Maybe you spread the fingers nice and wide. We're going to inhale, float the arms overhead for an angel breath. On an exhale, drop the hands down by the sides. 2 more of these. Inhale, we float the arms overhead. Exhale, release and let it go. Pull up some energy as you inhale, we sweep the arms. Exhale, drop the hands down by the side. We'll take the hands to the lap. We'll take our seated cat-cow. So as you're ready, inhale, roll the heart open, lift the gaze up. On an exhale, tuck belly button, tuck chin, arch through upper back body, roll through cat. Inhale, gently roll it up for cow. And exhale, softly fold inward for your cat pose. We got 2 more rounds. Inhale, rise. Exhale, release and fold in. Last time, rise up. Inhale. Exhale, release. And back to center. Float the hands up towards the shoulders. We'll take a little seated twist here, just rotating side to side. Stay grounded in the lower body. And rotating gently through the upper back body. This practice is wonderful for anybody that's holding tension in their back. Of course, I'd love for you to check with your doctor before starting any practices. And if you're experiencing acute pain, definitely skip this workout and take a day off. Go back for return here for 3, 2, 1. Keep the elbows as they are. We're just going to tap the elbows in towards each other and then open up. 2 more. Tap it in and open. And last time. And open. Nice. Circle out the elbows for 3, 2, 1. Reverse other way for 3, 2, and 1. I gotta give this puppy some love. Good boy. All right, folks. So from here, right hand will come over to the left knee and then sweep that left arm open. As always, if I do one side and you go the other, it's fine. It's all about evening things out. Reverse, second side, left hand, right knee. Sweep that arm open to look over the shoulder, a little seated twist. Let that be, let that go. Take one hand high to the sky. Big full breath in, big full breath out for a little banana pose for the spine. You can look up or down. Release hand down, take other side. Big sweep up, inhale. Exhale, fold over. Find a gentle sway back and forth, windmilling the arms side to side. Be kind to the spine. I love this saying, and I believe it's very true. You're only as old as your spine. So keeping all of this beautiful architecture in the back body healthy and strong is really key to longevity. 3, 2, and 1. Float that hand down in your own time. Shake it out, let it go. Let's go ahead and hug one knee in towards the chest and give me a little roll with the ankle in one direction and the other. Circle out that hip next. Big or small circles. See what feels good. Reverse when you're ready. And take that leg, hug it again in towards the chest, and then push the foot away. Toes are bright towards the sky. Open that leg out to the side for 3, 2, 1. Drop that foot in, march it out a little bit, let it go. Second side, other knee hugs in towards the chest and give me a little roll with the ankle. One direction and the other, just waking up all those little beautiful micro joints in the foot and ankle. And circle the hip next. Happy, healthy hips, right? So key. Reverse, other direction, take your time. And this time hug knee in towards the chest and then push that foot away, toes are bright towards the sky. Open the leg out to the side, challenging stretch here, but you got this, I know you do. Come back to center, drop that foot down and march it out a little bit. Heel to the feet nice and wide. We're gonna take a seated forward fold. Take your time as you go down. Big breath in. Big exhale to hinge forward, folding down. Hands can stay on the upper thigh bones or you can drop the fingertips towards the earth. Option 2, allow the head to fall naturally down, crown of the head reaches towards the floor. And then you can maybe gently shake the head yes and no, back and forth. And slowly, using the help of your hands, roll it up one vertebrae at a time. Nice job. Come back to center, heel toe those feet together. And we're gonna make our way into some standing poses. So I'll meet you here. I'm gonna actually turn my chair so that it's facing my puppy, Charlie. And then I'm gonna step to the top of the mat, find a mountain pose. Maybe palms can face forward or down by the side. Spread the feet wide. Toes are wide, press evenly into the feet. Reconnect again with that breath, just watching the breath naturally come and go. And then when you're ready, fingertips to the back of the chair, just step one leg back and then the other leg back for a downward facing dog. So heart is reaching down towards the earth. Maybe you straighten through the arms. Working to straighten the legs, you can have a very generous bend. Maybe belly comes to the tops of the thighs. And then work to straighten one or both legs. Press into the left foot, gently step the right foot forward, crescent lunge, bend that right knee, bend that back knee as well, upright through the spine, so that's really key. I don't want you hunching over. Feel head over heart, heart over pelvis. Maybe keep the hands on the chair or float one or both hands to the sky. Challenging your balance and breathing. Hands to the back of the chair, step it on back for downward facing dog. Press into the right foot, step the left foot forward. Crescent lunge on this side, back heel lifted or lowered. Both knees can be generously bent, and then find that connection. When you're ready, hands can reach towards the sky, or you can keep one or both hands to the chair, or take the hands to prayer position. Strengthening through the legs, the lower body, the hamstrings. The low back should be turned on, belly button reaches in towards the spine. Drop fingertips to the back of the chair. Make your way one more time, downward facing dog. Might pedal out the feet. You could take the feet wider and then just gently shift the hips side to side. You might also straighten one leg as you bend the other. Just see what your body is asking for today. Take a look forward, everybody. Just tiptoe to the top of the chair. And then we're just gonna float the arms high overhead, in and out. Hands come behind the back. Go ahead and interlace the fingers. Gently pull the elbows down as you lift the gaze high. And gently release that. Feet are gonna come wide again. We'll take a little spin around move, knock it on heaven's door. Find this gentle sway, rotating in the spine, side to side, for 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. Go ahead and return to mountain pose, hand over heart, hand over belly, and just notice how you feel. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Of course, if we've not met yet, my name is Emily. I'm a yoga teacher, a registered nurse, and a wellness professional. And I've started this channel to help folks just like you and me feel stronger, more confident, and happier in our own skin. So I appreciate you showing up. If this video has served you, please like and subscribe, maybe share with your buddy, and keep coming back. I really specialize now in helping folks with stretching. This yoga thing is so great, but also I do a lot of like some cardio videos that you might enjoy, and those are great for the back too. So yeah, come back. I make new videos each week, and you can see Charlie. If you're not looking for me, you can always see my puppy Charlie. He's always around too. All right, I'll see you next week, and take good care. See you soon.